Hi guys, this is Amaryllis. I want to share with you the package that I received from Annie, and she is msgardengrove1 on here on YouTube. She also has a Facebook group that you can join and receive this amazing kits. This was from February, so I already took it out of the bag, so I'm going to share what I just got. So she mentioned that it was for February, or you can use it for Mother's Day. And I'm so excited because this is so darn cute. Oh, look at this. On her Facebook page, you can request to be a permanent member, or sometimes, just like I did, I'm not permanent member, but you can, if she has extra kits, she will announce it on her Facebook page and you take advantage, and just that's what I did. And look at this. Oh, isn't this so cute? Look. Oh, it opens. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. Look at this. Oh, I love it. Look at the bag. Alright, so let me show you the rest. There's tons of goodies here. Okay. So you have this bowl with some script and two beautiful hearts. Sorry guys about my nails. I took off my nails I'm on spring break and I need to give my nails a break, so they look yucky. I'm so sorry. Look at this. Isn't that cute? I love it. And then a tiny flower like organza. Okay, this will be like the album. So you have this is really soft. This peachy pinky color. And then it's cardstock. This is beautiful. Oh, this is so soft. I love it. Oh, wow. Annie's kits are the best. This is my second time that I buy from her. So this will be like the front cover and the back cover, or whatever you choose to do. And then some tags. Look at these pictures. And this is good quality paper, cardstock. This one is beautiful. So you have two of this one, and the one with the roses, and the smaller ones. Really beautiful. And then you have another bag of goodies. So you have here some flowers, tiny little ones, and they have felt on the back that you can add to your album. And then this perfectly match the album. Look how pretty. And you have two roses here. And look at this. I will put it like something like this. Maybe not. This is so pretty. And another one with the dangling. beautiful. And then the doodads. Sorry for the noise, guys. Okay, I can open it. Hold on a second, guys. So you have here, oh, look how pretty. This beautiful flower. And this one is made out of like sea bees with a big pearl. This is beautiful. Yeah. And this, so you can hang, you do the you can have flowers or beads or whatever you want. This is really pretty. I will use this for my keychain. And then this arrangement of flowers. Oh, this is so soft. Look how nice. And another one. I love this ones. Really pretty. And that two colors together. Love them. Oh, look at this. It's two tiny antique chairs. Oh, this is adorable. They stand? No, they don't stand. Oh, this is so cute. Then this one. And everything coordinates perfectly. So you have this trim. This is all so soft. So you have the pink one. You have the white. And you have the turquoise. Oh, this is so cute. This one has different colors. It's like tiny little bows. You have yellow, turquoise, pink, purple. Really pretty. This one, same color, so Easter colors. So you know that you don't have to use absolutely everything for this kit. I will use this for Easter. And this one too, look how pretty. Soft colors. You can cut this individually or you can use it as it is. There's a lot in here. Thank you, Annie. And oh, I love this one. You have, this is like a lilac bluish color with green. Again, you can cut this individually, but look at this one. I love this one. And then again, tell me this doesn't scream Easter. Look at this. This is so beautiful. Annie, did you make this? It's like tulle, but then some is stitched with this trim with different colors. I don't know if it goes like this. Really pretty. So I will try to remember to put the link of msgardengrove1 on the description box. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.